Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making an easy, healthy snack tray that's perfect for the 4th of July. It's also great for Memorial Day. That's actually what I'm making it for. Today is Memorial Day, and I figured what better time to film it than now since I'm making one to bring over to the barbecue we're going to today. So what you're going to need for this snack tray, you're going to need strawberries, cherries, raspberries, blueberries, and then some white chocolate covered pretzels. Now, for some reason, if you have a bunch of strawberries on hand or a bunch of cherries or raspberries and you don't have all of them, that's totally fine. You have to have blueberries and you have to have some kind of red berry. So it can be any red berry or cherry on hand. And it's super easy. We're gonna line all the fruit up on the tray. We're gonna put the blueberries right here because that's gonna be the corner of the flag. Actually, wait. Yeah, right here. Had to think about it. Turned around. So I'm gonna have it face towards you as it would look as the flag. So we have the blueberries in the corner. Here you go, buddy. There you go. My son wants a couple blueberries right now. So we'll put the blueberries right here, and then we're gonna start lining up the fruit. I like to start with the strawberries. We're just gonna start lining the strawberries up at the front of the cutting board. Oh yeah, and you will need a cutting board, obviously, as you can see. It can be any cutting board. I'm just using this wooden cutting board I have. If you have a white one, a black one, it really doesn't matter the color of the cutting board or how big it is. It's just for the effect of the tray. You could play around, like a couple of these strawberries are kind of small, so I'm just switching them out for a couple larger ones. There we go. That way it's relatively even with the size of the tray. Let's do that. And then the next layer I'm going to do is going to be the pretzels. So you're just gonna take your white chocolate covered pretzels, and then you are just gonna lay these down in a line as well. Here you go, Bubba. Here, want a couple? Oh, you want one of these? You want one of the pretzels? Okay, you gotta take bites of it, okay? And then we're gonna continue to layer this. So I'm gonna do another layer of strawberries, another layer of pretzels, and then I'm probably gonna add in a layer of cherries and or raspberries. I'll just see what I have room for. We have kind of eaten the raspberries, so I don't have a ton, so I probably just have enough for a single row of raspberries. But like I said, you can mix and match like I'm doing today with all 3 of the red berries. You can do all of one kind of berry. It's totally flexible and it's fun. Just use what you have in your fridge. It's a great way to also use extra fruit you have, or just to use up the fruit you have if you need to use it. And it's just a fun festive thing to bring to an event. So I'm gonna keep doing this so that you can see the final result. Alrighty, and just like that, the tray's finished. Like I said, so simple. It literally won't take you longer than 20 minutes to make, especially if you already have everything on hand. And what's great is even if you don't have everything on hand, you don't have to buy a lot at the store. You're literally just buying some berries, fruit, and I only used 1 bag of pretzels. So just depending on how big your cutting board is, you probably shouldn't need more than 1 bag of these. But if you wanted to make a couple of them, then of course you can do so. It's a great way to use extra fruit that you have in the fridge that you need to use. And really, it doesn't matter what you're doing. If you're going to a barbecue, you're going to the lake, you're camping all weekend, it's such an easy thing that you can make because a lot of times we have these things while we're camping anyways. Fruit, pretzels, so forth. And like I said, you can be creative. You can use any kind of tray, any kind of bowl. It doesn't have to be glass. If you're camping, you can use plastic. And your kids will love it too. As you can see, my son kept wanting to eat the berries. So if your kids are like mine and they love to eat the berries or love to eat fruit and chocolate covered treats, you are in good shape. Plus, it's a fun thing to get the kids involved in. If you have older kids, you can tell them or kind of show them how to make it and they can make it as well. It's just all around a super easy, fun, festive snack tray to make for 4th of July. So I hope you enjoy this. I'd love to see your creations if you make them. Make sure to connect with me on Instagram at the Ashley Style. I will put that in the description as well. Tag me in your creations so I can see. I would love to see how yours turn out. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do so. I'll be releasing videos every weekend. And welcome to turn on your post notifications. That way you don't miss anything. But I so appreciate your support and appreciate you watching this video. And I can't wait to hear what you think. Thanks so much and have a wonderful 4th of July and have a wonderful weekend. Take care, guys. Have a good day.